Okay, here we are in the Bloom Plus versus Mars Hydro versus Growtronics. Now this is the first week into germination and we've got some interesting stuff happening. So this one here is the Bloom Plus, working quite nicely. And this is the Planter's Pride. Now the center blocks are all coir, and the outside ones are the Jiffy peat pods. And I have had poor luck, to say the least, with the coir. So there, you can see all those guys nicely coming. Those are my Sunrise Bumblebee tomatoes. And man, I put 3 seeds in each pod. You never know what your germination rate's going to be. Well, boy, 100% germination on them. It appears that I have nothing at all coming yet in the coir pods. And these here are the orange blanket flowers. And they're coming nicely. So, got lots and lots of good stuff coming in that box. Move over here. Again, this is the Mars Hydro. And when you come up close, there's just the tiniest little bit of green starting to show on that lemon boy in the coir. Not much else happening. Marigolds are doing great. In the coir, the Rio Grande tomatoes, nothing much happening. Snaps are going good. 2 rows of snaps there. Snapdragons, of course. Petunias, lots of petunias coming. Not much in the way of the pansies or the columbines. Now, I'm not expecting columbines anytime soon. Then you come over here, the Rio Grande, and my lemon boy. I've got a lemon boy coming there. Now those are the seeds I saved last year from the lemon boys. And then the Rio Grandes. So it's interesting. These Rio Grandes here in the peat pellets, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them up. And just nothing in the coir. And again here, in these coirs, I've got nothing coming in them, but these are zucchinis. And I don't expect them to be up anytime soon. But boy, that box is doing good. This box here is doing good, the peat pellets, not so much the coir. And I come over here. Again, this here is my Growtronics. They are a series of T5 light bars, 2-foot light bars. And Clarkia, also known as Godetia, they're coming nice. I've got 4 hollyhocks up, they're doing good. Nothing with the lemon boys. Nothing with the Scotch bonnet peppers. I do have in the back there, I have some of the Rio Grande and the bumblebees coming up. Nothing in the orange blanket flowers or the yellow blanket flowers. Petunias, starting to get a few little petunias coming. Nothing in the columbines, but I don't expect anything anytime soon. And then, what's really interesting, 1 row of snaps is just green like mad. The other row of snaps, nothing. So, that's it for week 1 of germination. And it looks interesting. All the lights are doing well. It'll probably be a couple of weeks before I can make any firm decision on which light's better, if any, They all seem to be working quite nicely. But underneath the Mars Hydro, it's doing really good. Anyways, that's for this week's update. I'm looking forward to the next couple of weeks to see what happens. And in the meantime, enjoy your